Wow. On polo or hiking. Best gear. Best gear going to the volcano, yes. Ready for the party on the crater?
Oh yeah.
Good morning guys, so we're on for another adventure this time, but this time we're in another region. We're in Campania region actually, so we're down in Napoli, in Naples, Italy, so we're down south. It's 2.5 hours train ride from Rome, and we're gonna discover what? What are we up to? What are we up to? What are we gonna discover today?
Vamos a ir a Nápoles
And
y vamos a ir a
Vesuvius.
que ahora os diremos. Ah, ya lo he dicho.
Yeah, Vesuvius and
Vesuvius Mountain
And?
Pompeii.
so that's where we're up to. Pompeii and
the
Vesuvius.
Volcano Vesuvius.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Are you prepared?
Yes, I am. Are you prepared?
I'm so ready.
Yes, we're all ready.
Chicos, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo estáis? Nosotros estamos aquí en una pastelería. Hemos pillado unos billetitos para por
Yes.
Buenos días, chicos. Tenemos 3 bills for Portico Esclano. So in Portico Esclano, you're gonna
ride a bus.
Get the bus
Going to Vesuvius.
To Vesuvius volcano. So
Just a few coffee to boost our energy so that we won't feel sleepy.
Latte mi corazón.
It's so clumsy. Oh my god.
So we're done with the train. We're heading now to the bus, heading to Mount Vesuvius National Park. So just one more stop, and then we're already in Mount Vesuvius. So we thought there will be buses, but we're stuck here in Herculano. But anyway, good thing that we were able to like discover the area, because this is one of those towns that was wiped out during the time when Mount Vesuvius was like erupting in 79 AD. So we're gonna walk like around 30 minutes to get to our destination, to Mount Vesuvius, but it's not even like Mount Vesuvius, so we still need to climb. I will show you some of the areas down here in Herculano. This is typical Italian here. Here, buddy. We finally arrived here in the station, bus station going to Mount Vesuvius. It's like 30 minutes walk, around 2.2 kilometers in this. So finally arrived here. Yeah. Success?
No, exhausted.
Exhausted. We're already inside the bus, so we're heading now to Mount Vesuvius. So it will take us around, let's say, 30 to 40 minutes down here, all the way to the mountain, part of the game. So we've got the bus tickets, and we've also got the entrance ticket. So it will cost you like 20 euros with a bus ticket or like go and return ticket. So you've got like one full ticket, like it's like a combination or yeah, so it's cost altogether 20 euros and by cash. Okay, so you really have to like bring some cash with you, because ATM machines are quite far from this from the station actually.
Hey.
Yep, ready?
Bueno,
Finally
¿qué
here.
tal? Estamos un poco cansados. Acabamos de bajarnos del autobús y ya sí, ya estamos aquí.
So finally we're here now in Mount Vesuvius. So I don't know how far it would be in the crater. Yes, we're here already.
We are going up to the volcano.
Yes, to the crater actually. But up until like 1 o'clock. So time check now, it's 11:30. So we have to go back there by 1 o'clock. Wow. Come on guys. Yes. Right. Right. Do you feel the ground shaking? Yeah. Because you know what, this is still an active volcano, so anytime it might erupt and we're dead. But it's like moving, shaking a bit. Alright, manage. David?
Hey,
Still fine?
we are climbing up.
Yes, I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Elevation 1,281 meters. So high. Around 4,200 plus feet. Wow. Just a little bit of trivia. So Mount Vesuvius is already 17,000 years old.
Oh yeah.
So that's the edad of the mountain. So that's the age of the volcano, not mountain. It's called like Mount Vesuvius, but it's really an active volcano.
Pero sigue siendo activo, ¿vale?
It's one of the most dangerous and active volcano here in Europe, and the last active eruption happened in 1944.
En 1944, la última erupción. Por lo tanto, bueno, no corremos mucho peligro, pero
And
hay cierto riesgo, ¿no?
And the most deadly eruption happened during 79 AD when it wiped out Pompeii and a lot of neighboring towns here in Campania region. Campania or Campania region. So
Podría tener lugar una erupción en cualquier momento.
yes.
Estamos expuestos.
So that one during that time in 79 AD when it wiped out Pompeii, it lasted for like more than almost 24 hours of eruption. You know how it lasted, releasing 33 kilometers of plumes, volcanic ash, wiping out all the towns surrounding Mount Vesuvius. So it's really dangerous to be around in the vicinity. Probably let's say 10-20 kilometers from here, still dangerous to stay
But
down
no
here.
problem. If you want to escape, there is an incredible way to escape.
How?
Oh, look at it.
Yeah, just jump on the cliff and you can go down automatically. In the crater.
Yeah.
Like the mouth of the volcano is down on the so view.
Explode.
Huh? Do you think it's gonna explode? Yes. Do you see that, David? It's gonna explode anytime. So let's go down now before it's too late. Yay! Grazie mille! Lascia pala. We have a surprise. Show it to your brother. Dang, 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 dang. Boom! Look at the back. Look at the back. Yes.
Bueno chicos, muchas gracias por habernos seguido en nuestra visita al volcán Vesubio. Espero que nos dejéis una manita arriba, un like y que activéis la campanita de notificaciones para seguir las publicaciones de itKENbeyouradventures.
Gracias. That's it. We have to be quick. We're gonna get back. Thank you so much for joining our adventures here in Mount Vesuvius. And we're gonna go to the next one in Pompeii. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy. And we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye!
Because it's your adventures.